Exposing the truth in beauty. Are you prepared to thrive in a world where vegan is the baseline, not the bonus? Let's raise the bar for cosmetic innovation, together. Today's beauty industry is changing at lightning speed. Gen Z and ingredient-savvy consumers are demanding more. Products that are ethical, effective, and completely free from animal-derived ingredients. That's where vegan cosmetics come in. Not just cruelty-free, but totally animal-free. From beeswax to lanolin, carmine to collagen. Sound challenging? It is. But that's exactly why this training exists. We'll show you how to swap out old-school ingredients for high-performance plant-based, biotech, and mineral alternatives, without sacrificing texture, stability, or shelf life. Struggling with emulsion stability, preservative choices, or keeping your colors vibrant? We've got proven solutions. Here's why you simply can't miss this course. 1. Cut through the vegan label noise and get true regulatory clarity. 2. Master ingredient swaps that actually work in the lab and on the shelf. 3. Solve stability issues, from separation to microbial risk, with confidence. 4. Learn exactly how to certify your formulas for the Vegan Society, PETA and Leaping Bunny. And 5. Formulate for performance that delights consumers, not just ticks boxes. This isn't just about theory. It's about practical mastery for R&D chemists, formulators, ingredient suppliers, regulatory pros, and ambitious graduates. Join us to future-proof your expertise, lead the clean beauty revolution, and deliver vegan products that truly stand out. The future of beauty is vegan. Will you be leading it? To find answers to all your questions and get started, register now for this exclusive online training. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, don't forget to check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand courses.